Hi, today I'll be showing you how to clean the Aiden frame, so stay tuned.
Well, hello everyone. Hopefully you're doing pretty well. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalking Creations. Today I'm going to be cleaning the Aiden board surface. That way I can use it for another transfer. And I wanted to do a video showing you how to clean it. This was October's transfer. And so this is with a camel paste on here, and it's on here. It's cured pretty well. So some of the things you're going to need will be some water, spray bottle of water, and the board erasers. Now this is the Chalk Couture board erasers. They come in a 2-pack. This one obviously is loved, and I will be using the loved one today. So I'm going to remove my bow. Now this is the Aiden Frame. And if you are able to make the investment, I strongly suggest that you get one. The last time I checked on the inventory, and that was Friday, December 7th, they were getting low on inventory. This is a solid wood frame, okay? And the interior here, this is a reusable surface, plus it is magnetic. So, and it has some slight distressing. This is all hand done. This is like a matte white finish on here, and each distressing will be a little bit different on each frame. But yeah, I really love this surface. So if you're able to go ahead and get one, please do. I will post a link, shopping cart link down below with the Aiden frame in it, as long as it's available, and also with the board erasers. So that way if you want to go ahead and get those, that you can. All right, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this with some water. And I am just going to let this set here for a little bit. Now they also have a scraper. I'll add that in the link also. I do not have that, but I have seen other designers use them. And it does look like it might help make the surface. You're also going to need some paper towel and maybe some disinfectant wipes just for like a final wipe through. Just to make sure everything is pretty much cleaned off. So I'm just going to use my finger here and work this in a little bit. Okay, just kind of cover it up with the water, and now I'm going to go in here with my board eraser. Now you don't have to be really too abrasive with this. You just let that water kind of soak in and just rub it around, and it takes it off. Now this size frame is perfect for the size B transfer, which is an 8.5 inch by 11 inch transfer. This is the perfect size. The board itself that's inside this is a 9 by 12. That's on the back, but the frame covers up about a 1/2 inch around it. So it's like an 8.5 by, a little bit more than an 8.5 by, I'd say almost 12 inch surface here. But those transfers fit perfect. Look at how easy. And then you just rinse this out with some water. It's just like those other magic erasers. This is a little bit softer, I think, than those are, and you have more surface to clean with. All right, now I'm going to get my paper towel here. I'll wipe it off. I'm going to spritz it again. Now if you have a washable towel or something like that you prefer to use, you by all means do. It does look like I have a little bit of ghosting on there, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this again. And then with a cleaner side, I'm just going to go back over it a little bit more. I absolutely love this frame. Now this does not have hardware on the back of it for hanging, so you could do that, or you can also use an easel. Now, Chalk Couture does have some easels. They're a 9-inch easel, or I believe a 14-inch easel. I'll also add that in the shopping cart if you'd like to get one of those. I personally, for this size frame, I would do a 14-inch. I do have an easel. It's not a Chalk Couture one, but I measured it, and mine is 13 inches. And it's perfect for this frame, so I would go ahead and get the 14-inch. But I will put both of them in that shopping cart. Now, you can edit that shopping cart link. So that way, if you want it to add to it, or if you want to subtract items to, you know, you can. Water sprayed all over the place. And there you go. And just like that, it is clean and ready for another project. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.